Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Miss Touny Today I am going to talk about Guangxi waterfall. Let's go start.
Guangxi Waterfall in Luang Prabang is a four-story limestone waterfall, about 70 meters long. Wonderful and emeralds. Green fountains are surrounded by forests. Guangxi Waterfall is another popular tourist destination in Luang Prabang. If you visit Luang Prabang, you should not miss it. It takes about 45 minutes to reach Guangxi Waterfall. There are many activities to do here, if anyone to go here. Down to the water, there is a changing room available. The lower part of the waterfall has bridges and paths to enjoy the natural scenery. Admission to 10.0 kip person. Guangxi offers beautiful natural landscapes and unique karstic rocks, such as the imposing waterfalls of Dishan on the border with Vietnam, or the sublime and renowned rice terraces of the Dragon's Back. Finally, I invite everyone to come and visit this place because it is so beautiful, and there is so much to do. And I hope everyone has the opportunity to visit.